Are you frustrated with your electric bills going up and up and up? Are you tired of having to find ways to use less and less just to keep the bill manageable? And now think of all the people moving here. How much more power will be demanded from the utilities? How much more they'll have to build? More power lines, more infrastructure. Who pays for all of it? We do. Our electric rates here in Arizona are set to skyrocket, but our solar customers are sitting happy and comfortable because they have an electric rate that will never increase. Click the link below. We'll give you a call and we'll teach you how this works, how people are saving money without the upfront cost, no lien on the home, and the peace of mind that their electric bill will stay consistent and true from here on out. Now is the time to check this out. In the month of June, if your house qualifies, not only can you get the solar without upfront cost, without the lien, saving money every month, and the peace of mind of a fixed rate, but you'll get 6 months of solar on the house. Not having to pay that electric bill. Think of all the extra presents you could get come Christmas time when the next 6 months of electricity are paid for. Give us a call. Now, if you're not quite ready, if you think it's too expensive, there's some kind of catch, you got to check out this video over here where we bust all the myths about solar in the past and show you how the game has changed now, why more and more people are able to take advantage of solar, save themselves money, and make a difference. Give us a call. We look forward to talking with you.